Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna be making banana bread. I'm so excited because this video is highly requested, and one pregnant woman that I know wants banana bread, so I had to make this video. Banana bread is a decadent treat everyone should taste. So you can use it for your tea time, you can use it for your me time, whatever. You can just enjoy this treat. And our star ingredient is banana, as you all know already. So in this video we are using overripe banana. We are not using just ripe, overripe. That sugar should taste very well, and the overripe banana melts easily, so it will just have that texture of butter. We're gonna be needing an empty bowl, flour, baking soda, milk, eggs, flavor, oil, salt, sugar, and the greased pan. You can also line the pan after greasing pan. You can also dust it with flour, whatever works for you. But I think this pan is a non-stick pan, so it would work well for this. Without further ado, let's start this video because I want to combine all my dry ingredients together and my wet ingredients together. So I've already added my baking soda to my flour. Now I'm going to add salt to it, then I'm going to set it aside. Now for my wet ingredient, I'm going to start by pouring my oil into the bowl. Then I'm going to add in my sugar at this point. So after adding these two things together, I just have to stir it till it incorporates totally, that I don't see the dry sugar anymore. At this point, I'm going to add in my egg one at a time. But please note that you should never break in your egg into your mixture. You need to break it into a cup or a plate to ascertain if it's good or bad before putting it or transferring it into your mixture. If you're enjoying this video, please like and share. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. I have tons and tons of videos you would love. After watching this video, please check out my other video. You would really love my channel. Now I'm going to stir the egg into the mixture and let it incorporate properly. At this point, you see that the color has changed into an ice cream looking kind of thingy. Now I'm going to pour in my flavor into my milk. And I'm going to transfer the milk into the mixture. At this point, the mixture is already smelling nice. Now I'm going to show you how to peel your banana. Everybody knows how to peel banana. It's not rocket science. So since this one is overripe, please note that at every point in time you should be washing your hands, because an overripe banana is kind of sticky. So after peeling this banana, I had to go wash my hands again because banana is sticky. Here I'm using 5. If you have the normal banana, the long one, you can use 3. This one tastes really nice. That's why I decided to use it for banana bread. My father actually gave it to me. You can mash your banana with fork. Or you can mash it with your whisk, depending on what you feel is convenient for you at the time. So after mashing it, you pour it into your mixture. You add your dry ingredient and mix everything together. It's not rocket science. There's no hard and fast rule to this. It's just easy. Wet to wet, dry to dry. Mix everything together and you're good to go. All I want to do here is just to incorporate everything properly and ensure that the mixture is smooth without lumps of any sort. Then at this stage, I'm going to go in with my silicone spatula to scrape off all excess or any dry flour hiding somewhere. Once I'm done scraping, I'm just going to transfer my mixture to my bread pan. It's greased already, so it wouldn't stick to the pan. Now I'm going to pour this into my pan. Please note that this batter filled the pan, so I had to get another loaf pan, which is the same kind of pan I used in my carrot cake video. You can check that video out at the icon above or the description box below. You would love the recipe. So now this is my banana bread ready to go into the oven, but not yet because I am about to put something extra depending on what you like. You can put in your almond chips, coconut flakes. Here I'm using chocolate chip. Depending on what you like, you can just sprinkle them on top of the cake and bake it. If you are the person that like a plain one, you can just eat it that way. Like my customer wants a plain one. She doesn't like chocolate, so that's the loaf one by the side. So I'm going to give her that. This is going to bake for 30 minutes. It ended up coming out at 35 minutes because I needed the up to really cook properly. So this is the end result. It looks so beautiful. This is how you test for readiness. It's ready, it's done. Like there's no wet signs, so that simply means that this is ready. When you put the skewer and it comes out clean. And now I'm just going to show you what the inside look like. This is the inside. I'm going to cut it more because I couldn't just wait. I was just eating this thing. Like, this is how fluffy it just bounces back. It's soft, it's yummy, it's banana-ish. Oh my goodness. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel, share this video, like it, and I'll see you in my next one.